Sanibonani dumelang lapha emakhaya ngisasenyangeni yabasha sasolosine sithi uNkulunkulu nomuntu wesifazane sisakhuluma ngoNkulunkulu nomuntu wesifazane namhlanje inyanga yolusha uJune i16 bezizolo so kunama challenges iYouth ehlangabezana nayo namhlanje ngiphethe uSelsi la ozositshela ngeYouth ukuthi yena ucabangani but ithi manje azazise kini ngicela uSelsi azazise kubabukele emakhaya ukuthi ungubani.
Okay, dumelang mo mahaeng na ke na Portia Madikoma Madungandaba ke golela gona mo Mabopane. I'm an IT professional and also I'm a tailor. I sew clothes and anything that you want to do, I do it. Youth month e gopotsa batjha mo gore lefatshe lo lotlhe gore go important ga kanang gore o lebelle o tlhokomele bokamoso ba gago gore o tlhokomele gore ba re gopotsa gore kana ga o le o motsha o na le di opportunities tse dintsi tse o na le chance e ntsi o sana le mafolofolo a go ira dilo tse dingata mo lefatsheng ene gore o na le chance e ntsi ya gore o ka shape future ya gago byang ga o santsana o le motsha ka gore by the time o reach 40 years go tla be ile gore go latanyana gore o ka thoma gore o ka nyaka go thoma business eso o ka batla go itutela go ba profession eso.
Okay, siyamuzwa usesiphoshiye lapha emakhaya ukuthi qala usasemusha mawufuna indlela yakho ihambe kahle qala manje ungameli ukuthi uyokhula ngokuthi mawusowukhulile ama challenges maningi azokuvimba ukuthi ungasaphumeleli phambili engifuna ukukubuza futhi ukuthi ngeYouth le ya 76 siyezwa ukuthi bebalola ukuthi nihlale kahle manje ufundeni wena what have you learned about the Youth le ya 76 and then mangifunda nguzokuthi kune Youth enye ya 2015 beyilela the feet must fall ukuthi nifundeni kubo ukuthi nina nizokhona ukuhlala manje kahle manje what have you learned?
Okay, what I've learned through 1976, as we all know, there was apartheid in South Africa. So the youth were fighting for that freedom, of which it was not easy for our grandparents and for our parents. You know what they went through. They went through apartheid, and I think the youth, they didn't want to go back to, experiencing the same thing under as muthu omuntu or as an Indian person. Race because ba feel gore bona they are inferior and they own their country. So ke yona ntwe it is saying yona ntwe ya fees must fall because education ya dura university it's very expensive.
Yes.
It's very the cost itself besides the accommodation what dura very high. So both fees must fall na balola freedom ya bona. And not for the supporta the way na ba chisa dilo ba chisa dikolo yona a gidumelane le yona, but it had to be done somehow gore batho ba ba utlwelele le re na ba le violent.
Okay, yo and sisasho ukuthi italente yakho yakhona ukubekela isinkwa etafuleni usesiphoshiya la athi uqale athunge esikolweni ngezandla athunga amabheke bamthengela so abanye uyazi ukuthi ngithanda ini kakhulu yiyo ingakubekela engakuyenza ukuthi uhlale kahle uphile kahle lezo zandla zakho masifuna namatalente wethu ukuthi akuphi njengoba naye simuzwa ukuthi yena uthanda ukuthunga kakhulu futhi uyathunga namanje uyathunga